Now that we've created our center line on the page, I'm going to use the circle to draw a circle. So I go to the circles, click on the circle icon, and then come back. Now on the instruction bar it says locate center. I'm going to use the center of that cross as the center of my clock. So I click on that and then I drag. Now as I drag, you'll notice it's drawing a nice circle. Now the instructions were to draw 90 millimeters radius. If you observe the scale on the bottom down here, you will see that as I drag, the relative distance that says rel is increasing 5 millimeters at a time. Now it's now saying 90. So when I click on that, it's going to draw me a circle which is radius 90 or diameter 180. Now I can check that if I want and go to the dimension tool, and I go along to draw a radius, click on the circle and draw a radius, and it tells me that radius is 90. Now I don't need to keep our radius there, so I'll just click on delete last on the right hand side here and delete that. Okay, now I'm going to draw another circle, this time diameter 10 or 5. So this is a small circle. Go back to your circle tool, click on the middle of the page and drag just one box out. So that gives me radius 5, diameter 10. And then we're going to draw another circle, come out, and this time we'll make it 80 radius. So what I'm creating there is the outer part of the clock and the inner part where the face is, and a central circle where the hands would be located. This could equally be a steering wheel or a wheel for a car or anything that you can imagine. So you can see our students are starting to learn how to use these drawing tools, but they could be using them to design many other things.